I went to the Barbie Mark Ryden pop-up in LA today and I got a couple things. So I got one of these enamel pin packs. They come with 6 enamel pins. And then I also got postcards. And then afterwards, he was there signing things for people that were in line. So I got 3 of these postcard things. And then I got one of them signed by him. At the end, I'll show you guys all 20 postcards. So by the time I got to the front of the line, the pink Barbie and the bee Barbie were sold out. And I didn't want to leave empty-handed, so I ended up just getting the 2-pack, the black and white Barbie dolls. So this is the back of the box. This is the front of it. And then he signed the top of the box. And then on the bottom, there's just like info on the item. And I haven't opened it yet, but I will open it so you guys can see what's inside. And then just on a side note, I waited about an hour to get into the museum, and then I waited about an hour to get my item signed. And when I met him, I just said hi, and I really liked his Katy Perry drawing he made back in 2014, I think it was. And he said thanks, and then he signed 2 of my items, and then I was on my way. It was really quick, but he was pretty nice. So here's the front, and here's the back. And I'll show you guys all 20 postcards.